So here we are in the Enwins Motors garage with the Project Scimitar, which is actually my father's Scimitar that we're aiming to get back on the road for next spring. Now, I've retrimmed the back seats and the front seats. Back seat here is fitted. Put new carpets throughout the car. With just a little bit at the front to finish. I've done new headlining, which is just being finished off at the moment. New door panels are about to be made in leather. The seats are all half leather. The dashboard is going to stay where it is. But as I said, it may not look like much, but it's all coming together now. So let's have another look at the headlining that I've done. Just done around the windscreen now. It doesn't look perfect at the moment, but it isn't all stretched out. And this is a wool headlining from Boy Riven instead of the cheap and nasty nylon stuff that there was before. It's getting a full wool job, so that's all padded out and made to suit. And then you can see the seat. One side's already in place, the other side's due to go in. Front seats are due to go in. I've just got the A-posts to do and the drive around the driver's door, and that will finish the actual fitting of the headlining. I've just got the A-posts. Clean up the dashboard, and then there is absolutely nothing stopping us fitting this new windscreen which you've bought for it. More to follow on this car as things progress.